Hello, the purpose of this video is to provide an overview of Kepware's DataLogger plugin for KEPServerEX. The DataLogger will allow you to export data directly from KEPServer into any ODBC compliant database. We have connected this temperature and humidity sensor to our local area network. In this video, we will demonstrate how to log data from this device into a Microsoft Access database. Now we'll go into KEPServer and view the project file we have created to establish communications with this sensor. At the core of every KEPServer project is the creation of a channel, device, and tag. In creating a channel, we specify the communications protocol. In this case, we used our user configurable driver to talk with the device using Ethernet encapsulation via TCP/IP protocol. In creating a device, we've specified the IP address for the sensor, and in creating tags, we've specified the specific addresses within the device. This device has several addresses which correlate to dew point, humidity, and temperature. To verify that we have proper device connections, KEPServer contains a valuable Quick Client application to view the data. Open the Quick Client, select the device, and you'll see live data associated with each tag value. Now we'll open Microsoft Access to view the data table. As you can see, we have created a field for timestamp along with humidity and temperature. We've named the database Temp and Humidity Log, and the data table is Data TBL. Now we'll go back into KEPServer, select the DataLogger option from the plugin drop-down menu, and click here to add a new log group. As you can see, the log group consists of three parts: General, Data Map, and Triggers. First, under the General tab, you select the DSN, or data source name, for the database we are connecting to. Second, under Data Map, we browse for the tags we want to log, select the logging data table, and link the tags to the corresponding fields in the data table. And third, under Triggers, you specify the trigger condition. Under Always Triggered, you can log on data change or on static interval. Under Absolute, you can log during certain days or times of the week. And under Expression, you can log when a certain condition has been met. For example, you can log when the item is greater than a specific value. And now, to begin configuring the data logger, we'll go back into the General tab. We'll name the log group Temp and Humidity, and we'll click on Configure DSN. Then System DSN, and click Add. We'll select the Microsoft Access driver. We'll name the data source, and then select our database, Temp and Humidity Log. We'll hit OK, OK, and finally OK again to exit. And now we'll select the new DSN link to our database that we've called Sensor. Then we'll click on the Data Map tab. We'll browse for the tags we want to log. In this case, we'll pick humidity and temperature in degrees C and click Apply. Now we'll choose the table we want to log to that we've called Data Table. And now we'll choose a wide table format so we can log multiple tags for each row. We'll click on Map Fields, and we'll click on the humidity value and the humidity database field, and we'll click Link. Then we'll click on Temperature C value, Temperature C field, and Link. And again for timestamp. And we'll hit OK to exit. And finally, we'll click on the Triggers tab. We'll double click on the default logging trigger, And we're going to set this up to log every 3 seconds. Click Next, Finish, and that concludes the configuration of the data logger. To begin logging, simply save the project file. Now we'll go into Microsoft Access and we'll open up the data table. Here you can see the humidity and temperature readings. We'll close the table and reopen it, and you'll see every 3 seconds we're getting a humidity and temperature value. And that's the beauty of the DataLogger plugin for KEPServerEX, a simple and reliable tool for logging important data. For more information, please go to Kepware.com. Thank you for watching.